What is a season of Big Brother without housemates unfollowing each other and VVIPs giving their fave all the gist of what happened during the house and what people said behind their back? Anyways, guys, post-show drama has started for the season of Shine Your Eye, and I'm here to download all the gist for you. But before we get to that, guys, welcome back to the channel, Gist and Unwind, where we gist and of course we unwind. If you're new to the channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. So before further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so the news reaching us this morning is that Angel has unfollowed Jackie, Nini and Michael. I mean, I was expecting something like this to happen during this season, because obviously every season of Big Brother Naija, housemates always come out, their VVIPs and fans show them videos of what people said about them and they start unfollowing their fellow housemates. So basically, yesterday was just like speed, like, you know, like they went for the prize presentation, like all of them were even cool. I mean, I saw a video of Angel and Jackie P together, they were cool and everything. Until this morning, that's how it just became clear and clear that okay, they've shown Angel's videos of what people said about her in the house, of people's perception about her, and she has said to unfollow all of them. Obviously, we remember in the house where Jackie B, during the old Michael situation where she felt Angel was going on Michael, Angel was going to Michael, Angel liked Michael and she was like seducing him and things like that. So because of that, she started saying things about Angel in the house, like she called her a thief at the point. I think she was to give her a shoe or so. She implied Angel was a thief. She also said that Angel is a prostitute, and she said that she irritates her. Basically, in a diary room, diary sessions of Jackie B most times are just about antagonizing Angel and things like that. So basically, when Jackie B was following and Angel too was following Jackie B in the house, I felt like I already knew in my mind that okay, they're going to come out and unfollowing each other. And basically, Angel today, the first thing she did was to unfollow Jackie B. And I'm very sure Jackie B is going to reciprocate. I don't know what's going to happen, if they're going to talk or whatever, but that's basically the first person she unfollowed. Then the second person is Nini. Nini's second person she unfollowed. You remember Nini also had said some things about Angel in the house, concerning the way she moves around with the guys. And you remember the conversation she had with Maria and Peace in the executive lounge. The three of them basically decided to talk about Angel that day, and they said things about, I think they talked about her vagina, they talked about her behavior in the house, how she opens her body, how she moves around with the guys and things like that. So she said that Nini also said some things about Angel, and of course her fans showed her video, VVIP showed her video, they've told her things, one or two things, and she unfollowed that one too. And she also unfollowed Michael. I guess she unfollowed Michael because of Jackie B too, and Michael too said some things. I think Michael was like quite condescending towards Angel. He just said some things that she's someone he can never date outside because of her attitude and things like that. And of course, she does not want that kind of energy around her, so she unfollowed that one too. So I don't know if there's going to be more unfollowing to be done. I mean, she can't unfollow Maria because they were not following each other in the first place. And also, Maria has also apologized to Angel's dad. I don't know if she has given an apology to Angel herself, but I don't know how that's going to happen. But basically, she cannot unfollow Maria because they're not even following each other in the first place. So those are the three people she unfollowed, and I don't know if there's going to be more. Whether more people said things about that, well, we shall see. But basically, Jackie B, Nini and Michael have been unfollowed by Angel. Now moving on to the next gist, guys. Yesterday was the prize presentation and they went back into the house. Most of the housemates were back into the house, just to like see things for the last time. And of course, Saga brought in his best friend Mushi or something. Like, the guy was always supporting Saga while in the house. I think that was his handler, and that's like his best friend. So obviously, with the other housemates being there, he met other housemates and he met Sasuke. He met Sasuke in the house, and I mean, you could see there was this connection. I feel the guy is already starstruck, basically, because even on Twitter, when Sasuke was something like maintaining beauty or something like that, it was like beauty is maintaining you instead. Like, you can see that he's actually crushing on her really hard. I don't know if you should start shipping down or whatever, because Sasuke is already in a triangle already with J-Paul and Cross. So I don't know if Moshi, I don't know his full name, but they call him Moshi. I don't know if Moshi is going to be in the mix one way or another. But basically, that's how I tell people that Saga's best friend is actually crushing on Sasuke. So the last gist for now, because obviously I'll still bring more gist for you guys as they drop. That's how come I'll be telling you guys. So basically, Lycoros is in the mix now because our fans are basically asking for attention, and also she's also in should I say 2 or 3 different ships at this point. She's in Emma Rose's ship, that's the ship between her and Emmanuel. She's in Maro's ship, that's the ship between Maria and Lico Rose. So basically, most of our fans, or let's say Emma Rose fans, are going against the ship between Maria and Lico Rose. It's taking our attention, things like that. I'm like, you know how fans can be, you know, when they want the attention of their fave and things like that. So basically, that's like one thing that's going on social media right now, because you could see Maria receiving drags. You know, people are saying Maria is not genuine with the friendship and things like that. So I don't know how that's going to happen, but I feel she loves, like, you can't dictate what these people are going to do with their lives. Emmanuel, she sees Emmanuel as a romantic person, as the romantic side. That's Emmanuel's relationship with her. And for Maria, that's her bestie in the house. I mean, when Maria left 5th week, she actually didn't stop calling her name till the last day that she left the house. So basically, you can't dictate who she's meant to be friends with. And even Michael is in the mix somewhere as her best guy friend or something like that. So basically, that's also one thing going on in the Lico Lions camp, where Lico Rose is being dragged between 3 or 4 ships. I mean, it's not easy to be hot cake, honestly. So basically, that's what's going to be the gist for today. Tell me down in the comment section below what you feel about your Angel following people. Tell me if you feel that's right, or if she just feels to like listen to other people. Like, you guys can still be friends, still be cordial. You understand what I mean? Don't let fans get in between you. But also, these people said vile things about you, so you might want to unfollow them and reflect for a bit. And let's just see what's going to happen. Honestly, as it gist I'll come and tell you guys if there's any new development on this gist. I will tell you. And also, are you shipping Moshi or Sasuke? And tell me what you're shipping with Sasuke, because Sasuke right now, she's the hottest of all hot cakes right now. She has like 3 guys, the ones we know about. She has like 3 guys already crushing on her. We don't know about other people crushing on her too. So basically, tell me if you ship Moshi and Sasuke. And also Lico Rose, Emma Rose, and Marose. Let's see how that triangle or that ships are going to sail. So guys, that'll be enough today's video, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to be subscribed to the channel to know anytime I post a video. Make sure to click on that notification bell over there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.